Do you have hearing loss? Do you struggle in noisy rooms and miss parts of conversation with friends, family, and colleagues? Do you often wish you could put that chat puzzle together? Learning to read lips or to speech read helps fill in the blanks of normal conversations. You can improve your communication skills as your speech reading progresses. Family get-togethers, restaurants, coffee shops, and meetings are particularly challenging with hearing loss because of background noise and multiple speakers. Our live online course teaches you the different lip movements that different sounds use. From A to Z, you will learn the different movements of the lips, mouth, tongue, and jaw. You will also learn strategies to understand sentences by using context, body language, and language patterns. This will help you follow along in discussions. Tips and practice drills are included to strengthen your skills and build your confidence. There is a student workbook for the live online classes, and they will be recorded and available to each participant to watch as many times as they wish. You can practice at your own pace between classes. These classes are easily accessed at home using a computer or tablet. All that you need is an internet connection. Think this course is for you? Are you ready to begin? Enroll today. Click on the link.